Hey guys, welcome to Playtime Toy Unboxing, and today we have a new Barbie.
Hello everyone, welcome to my... Hello puppy, it's okay, it's okay.
Are you in there this time? Nah.
And it's Color Me Cute.
And guys, guess what I'm wearing?
You're being Merida today, right?
Yep.
Kyla's not here today.
No.
We have Merida with us, the bravest princess of them all. So Merida, what do we have here today?
Barbie colors with, you could color change your dog.
So we have some warm water.
Warm water.
And we're gonna put it in here.
Put it in there. And let's see what kind of puppy it changes into.
What? Don't knock the water down though.
Oh, light.
You know what?
Oh.
Throw him in here.
Wait, we have to build it out.
No, throw him in there so we can totally change him. Look at that. He's white.
Actually, that's kind of bluish.
That's totally white.
Actually.
I mean, that's pretty white. Wait. Now check this out. Ready? Throw him in this one.
That's pink.
And blue.
Blue.
That is so cool.
Let's try the Barbie now.
Ding dong.
Ooh, someone's here for a Playset. So we dip it in, and then we put it on. Ooh.
Cool. Look at that. Now, what are you using? Cold or warm water?
Warm.
Warm. You can actually write things on it probably too.
Maybe let's try it and cold. Ooh, it's the same thing.
Ooh, no change.
No, I think it's supposed to turn blue.
Cold's supposed to turn blue?
Ooh, yeah.
Well, yeah, but try this.
No.
Hey!
Hi, you look just like me.
Thank you, because we're sisters.
Yeah.
And by the way, YouTubies, if you guys want to check out my video, click right here. And I'll show you how I get my hair so beautiful, sparkly.
My hair's better. My hair's really plain.
It is. Well, I just did sparkles on it yesterday, and I think it came out so fabulous. It's not gonna change from cold. Somebody just used.
We have a ghost.
I'm scared.
Did everybody just catch that?
Silly daddy.
The elevator just moved on its own.
Hello everyone, welcome to my... Hello puppy, it's okay, it's okay. We are just doing a TV show live on a magical puppy that is changing colors. Check it out. Ooh, you see how he's blue, purple, and pink? Now watch this, it's magic. Jump in puppy, jump, jump. And the puppy disappears. totally white. And here you have it, ladies and gentlemen. You've seen it live on PTU. Come on, puppy. Come on. Come on. You gotta come out.
Hi, Barbie Lynn. Hi.
Hi.
Her name is Barbie Lynn.
Oh, is she a new friend?
No, she's my neighbor.
Hey, neighbor.
Hi.
All right, guys, listen. I have to run. I have to go shoe shopping. Doo-doo-doo. You are so cute. Wow, it's amazing. Did it again. This is the most magical puppy I've ever had in my shop. Good boy. Good. I wonder if I put my feet in it, will I turn colors? Let's see.
Yeah.
Are they turning?
No.
Oh, come on. Put me in the other one. Put me in the other jar.
Nope.
No. Oh, it's so not fair.
That's not it. It's not color changing anymore. Maybe it's this one. Let me try.
What? That's the warm and that's the cold.
Wait, what? Doesn't work anymore?
Yeah.
What?
No way.
It doesn't work anymore. Ah! Watch.
So what water is that? Cold or warm, it doesn't do anything. It just stopped working in a matter of literally few minutes.
Are you sad that it doesn't work anymore?
Wah! Wah!
Oh, he doesn't change colors anymore?
No, that's
Oh
why he's
my.
sick.
Oh my, we have to call the doctor. Something's
No,
wrong.
I called the puppy doctor and he said it's fine. It's just chemical.
It's just a chemical? It's
Yes.
a chemical reaction. Oh, when it's a chemical reaction, it's never a good thing.
Puppy doesn't work! Thank you for watching Playtime Toy Unboxing. We hope you like this video. Click like and share and subscribe to our video. Bye! Bye! Bye!
That video was awesome! Click the boxes to see even more. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you had fun, and also click here to subscribe to our channel for new videos every day.